cancel only one leg because the leg black is not usual. And just try to show on the paper. Đi hơi complete tốt á, giờ ở khu mưa, hơi khu cái ở chỗ ba là mình đi ba đường bàn, ok. She has a problem on her finger. Try to show some of the paper. Đi hơi ở khu mười, tao ban là mấy chục đẹp như này. Dương thật tư múc tư khối xanh mình nhắm ở đây vừa trong mưa công a thành mưa tư mình toàn tư khối trong múc từ khối chứ đấy là 4 cái chuyện chân mà vô lấy mấy con vừa nữa đấy mau chia ngày đi mình mau về đi chia ngày theo mau khôi rằng khơi trường cá tàu múc chứ ngoài công á là gương tư rồi thì mấy ở đang là biết theo mà coi gì cái này cũng đi ca rồi ấy sân đây là thoáng thoáng má nữa nhà cả vậy các bọn chung tuổi đấy chặt ở đâu ngoài chờ
everybody. I would like to show you the direction to the Utah building in Cambodia. When you reach to Cambodia, fly over and subway bridge, you can come through Cambodia Boulevard or Waysray Boulevard. And when you arrive to the building with the antenna on the top, you can turn right about 600 meters, and then you can turn right about 200 meters. You can see car on the left side. That's it.
Then you can see a fireman here.
Okay.
And look the other one. Look,
Yeah.
you see Chewbacca. You see Chewbacca is there.
Okay, okay.
Look, he crashed.
No, I see.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, yeah.
Is that the North Tower?
Mm-hmm.
The North Tower is on fire.
Oh, I see.
Isn't he Saudi Arabian?
Mhm.
No, he's Iran.
Okay.
He's from Iran.
Can you describe and tell me about this?
And one more day is here.
Okay.
They fly here, Daddy.
Okay.
This is the 9/11.
Okay.
And exactly 8:32 a.m. On a sunny morning in Florida, in Florida, and get to the president, Daddy.
Mhm.
And he will fly to the local elementary school.
Okay, okay.
He said we need to get the police to come with us right now.
Okay.
He said this.
Do you know the name of that man?
Joe Biden.
Oh, what?
No, Donald
that's right.
Trump.
Huh?
I thought you said Donald Trump.
But I want to know about the problem that the person kidnapped a pilot.
And Daddy, the first building is here, Daddy. Look.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Look, is that Chewbacca?
Okay.
Is he there? In the
Okay.
plane?
Uh-huh.
No.
Oh, that's
crashed.
too bad, right?
No, it's on fire. You
Mhm.
can see the Empire State Building is not destroyed.
Okay.
And,
Okay.
and look, the North
Oh,
Building is
another
on fire.
one?
Another one is Saudi Arabian.
Okay.
Who crashed here
Do you know the person?
in Morocco.
Oh, I see.
In Morocco.
Uh-huh.
And this one is Chimini.
Okay.
Chimini.
Mhm.
And look, the building.
Mhm.
Look, it collapsed.
I see. Oh.
And now look, the second building.
Mhm.
Look,
Mhm.
it collapsed.
I see.
It is the 9/11.
Uh-huh.
And now look, the first one.
Wow.
Look,
Wow.
and the seven floor were on fire.
Oh, I see.
And the Empire State Building stay okay.
No. Yeah.
And remember in the Brooklyn Bridge
Okay.
destroyed. The
Uh-huh.
Brooklyn Bridge was the plane crashed to make an explosion. The first one destroyed this building here.
Mhm.
Remember it destroyed that building and that one.
Okay.
And this one too.
Uh-huh.
Collapsed like this, and then it hit this building and that one over there. It hit this and this.
Okay.
And the smoke lit to make it to collapse.
I see. Wow. Wow, yeah. Oh, that's very bad.
Now even the street is covered in smoke.
Yeah, I
Look,
know.
that building, it collapsed.
Yeah.
I said that building.
Wow. Mhm. I see.
Look.
Mhm.
The building collapsed and Daddy, this one is dangerous.
I see.
Actually, Chewbacca tried to fight this building.
Mhm.
He was very mean,
I see.
and he tried to destroy this building in New York.
Mhm.
And one more, they replaced it, and it was new.
Uh-huh.
But the other one, another enemy named America.
Oh.
He tried to fly a plane named 747, and then he crashed into the new One World Trade Center. It's on fire, and then it collapsed.
I
So they
see.
tried to build the One World Trade Center look like this again.
Okay.
Look like this.
Mm-hmm.
And one more, the other one, the Empire State Building, did it destroy?
I see.
Because another guy named Americana knew too.
I see.
He destroyed the Empire State Building.
Uh-huh.
And remember, the Empire State Building collapsed
Oh.
into smoke covering the streets in New York.
Uh-huh.
And that's the end. Goodbye.
Okay. Thank you.